The benefits of cinnamon for weight loss. Cinnamon's role in weight management. The inner bark of the Cinnamomum tree contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, promoting overall health. Blood sugar levels are regulated, appetite is reduced, and metabolism is boosted, all of which aid in weight management. Cinnamon consumption has been shown to reduce body weight, BMI, and waist circumference, especially in people with type 2 diabetes. There is evidence that it has antimicrobial properties as well as the potential to enhance memory and cognitive functions. Cinnamon's fat-burning and health benefits. Cinnamon burns fat by stimulating thermogenesis, generating heat, and burning calories. It elevates adiponectin levels, a hormone that aids fat metabolism. Aside from its anti-inflammatory properties, it also prevents weight gain and enhances overall health. In addition to controlling blood sugar levels, cinnamon also curbs cravings and encourages healthy eating. Cinnamon's blood sugar and anti-inflammatory benefits. Diabetes and insulin resistance can be managed with cinnamon's ability to regulate blood sugar. By reducing high blood sugar levels, it improves insulin sensitivity, especially for people with diabetes. Also, cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties enhance overall health and support weight loss by combating chronic inflammation linked to obesity and diabetes. Cinnamon's impact on insulin resistance. A condition known as insulin resistance occurs when the body resists insulin, which regulates blood sugar. Cinnamon enhances glucose metabolism and prevents fat storage by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing inflammation. Cinnamon reduces fasting blood glucose levels, particularly for people with type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, its antioxidant properties protect against free radical damage. Cinnamon is beneficial in a balanced diet, but it shouldn't replace professional medical advice if you have insulin resistance or diabetes. Changing your diet or lifestyle should be discussed with a healthcare professional. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive important notifications, as well as likes and comments, which will help my videos grow. Cinnamon's appetite control and metabolism boost. A sense of fullness is created when cinnamon curbs cravings and reduces appetite while slowing stomach emptying. Furthermore, it enhances insulin sensitivity to regulate appetite and decrease cravings for sugary foods, making it an excellent addition to a healthy diet. In addition, cinnamon promotes efficient calorie burning by increasing the body's metabolic rate. Cell growth and repair are also aided by insulin-like growth factor production. The effects of cinnamon are particularly beneficial for those suffering from type 2 diabetes or at risk, improving their overall glucose control. Optimizing cinnamon for weight loss in your diet. Combine cinnamon with a balanced diet and regular exercise for effective weight loss. Avoid potential side effects like liver damage by choosing high-quality cinnamon and consuming it moderately. 1 to 2 teaspoons are recommended daily. Add cinnamon to your morning coffee or tea, or sprinkle it on oatmeal or yogurt for a healthy breakfast. Baking, muffins, cookies, and savory dishes, roasted vegetables, grilled chicken, can benefit from this natural sweetener. Try cinnamon in a variety of ways to discover its health benefits. Cinnamon tea for weight loss and digestion. Cinnamon tea aids weight loss and promotes digestion while reducing inflammation when taken in liquid form. Add honey or lemon for flavor and steep a cinnamon stick for 10 to 15 minutes in hot water. Those with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance may benefit from cinnamon tea's ability to regulate blood sugar levels by mimicking insulin effects. Cinnamon for gut health and weight loss. Cinnamon reduces inflammation, stimulates digestive enzymes, and has antibacterial and antifungal properties. In addition to regulating blood sugar levels, transporting glucose for energy, and curbing sweet cravings naturally, it reduces the need for added sugars. Potential side effects of excessive cinnamon for weight loss. When using cinnamon for weight loss, moderation is essential. When consumed in excess, it may cause liver damage, low blood sugar, and mouth sores. There may also be allergic reactions in some individuals. Consult a healthcare professional before using cinnamon for weight loss. Conclusion: in summary, cinnamon is a potent, natural weight loss aid with various health benefits. Consume it as food, tea, or supplements, with caution, to regulate blood sugar, reduce appetite, and boost metabolism. Cinnamon can support weight loss and enhance overall health when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Cinnamon aids weight loss, but it isn't a miracle cure. For significant results, a balanced diet and regular exercise are crucial. Additionally, it should not replace prescribed medications or treatments for weight-related health conditions. Before changing your diet or exercise routine, consult a healthcare professional.